Your house is costing you money. Leaks cause damage, and those drips add up, costing the average homeowner over $200 every year. You can unlock your house, turn on your lights, and start your car with your phone, but you can't identify a leak that's costing you with every single drip. Now there is H2know, an affordable solution to prevent disaster, protect your home, and save money by saving water. H2know can be easily installed without the need of a professional. Simply connect to your Wi-Fi and fit it over your main water pipe to start protecting your home in real time. It is able to detect individual water activity throughout the home, so H2know can provide better protection and help you create better water habits. H2know is able to see even small drips and will alert you once it detects a possible leak at any specific appliance in the house. At the same time, it will present you with a list of possible causes and solutions. Our app will tell you things like when you have a dripping faucet, a leaky toilet, a bad washing machine, or if the kids left the hose on again. As H2know grows with your home, it will tell you how you're using water and custom ways to conserve it, helping you save both water and money. Pipe bursts and other large leaks can cause thousands in flood and damage repairs. Unfortunately, as many as 1 in 50 homes will experience damage this year. H2know will immediately notify you of any critical alerts as well as DIY tips and a list of local professionals to get the issue taken care of quickly. Know that you have peace of mind about the safety and security of your largest investment, your home. Creating better water habits and preventing leaks can help you save money and keep your home in better condition for longer, and we're here to get you started. Check out our crowdfunding campaign on Indiegogo and back us now to get exclusive pricing on all of our products and find out how you can H2know and save. H2know, saving water and money.